like I'm going crazy. I can literally smell Halloween. But I mean, it's nearing, I guess. So I guess it makes sense. Such a nice smell to smell Halloween night. Just going around my neighborhood for a little walk. Alright, sorry about the pause. I had to fix my jeans. Anyway. Do you ever get the feeling of smelling Halloween? Because I'm getting that feeling right now. Hang on. Okay, sorry. My pants are getting annoying. And it just rained during the night. Got some nice little cobweb bush with some spiders. Just going on a little ambient video, I guess. I'm gonna be filming these every day during my fall break, which started today, Thursday, October 16th, I believe. Yes, October 16th. So, if I may ask a question or so, what do you guys want to be for Halloween? I'm curious as to what you guys want to dress up as. What candy you're hoping to get. Because I live in one of the nicer neighborhoods. So maybe I'll get some nice candy. There has been some cool memories in this neighborhood, if I'm being honest. I'm just walking around. Although I'm so... Never mind. Just rambling. Don't worry about little old me. Looks like people are getting ready to go to work. People are coming and going. Now this house over here usually has the best decorations. They're probably not done. Yeah, I don't know if you can... No, I like the fence though. I like how it's decorated in orange and purple. My two favorite colors. Usually it's nice over here after raining. I'm glad I woke up around this hour, because now I get to see all of the pretty morning sky before the sun completely comes out. The first thing I saw when I came out here was the moon. It looked like it was smiling at me. Maybe I'll have luck from the moon. Who knows? I'm just blabbering. But don't we all sometimes? I'd be lying if I said I don't yap quite a bit. Okay. Don't worry about me walking weird. I'm just trying not to show a bunch of people's license plates, and then I'll have to go through the video to make sure none of them showed, to see if I can figure out how to censor them for a split second for as long as they're shown, or I'll just stepped on a rock. Anyway, I'll just face down or face away from a vehicle's license plate. Hang on, there's a couple cars parked near here. I don't want to show their license plate because of respectful reasons. Although it is beautiful out here. People usually go all out during Halloween and Christmas. I'll show some videos during Halloween and Christmas. I might just show the naturistic ambience, I guess, of Thanksgiving. I'm just doing what I can with just a phone to film videos. So don't blame me for the bad quality in case the quality is bad. I do know that video audio, it makes my voice sound quite a bit higher, or like an octave and a half to 2 octaves higher, which audio receivers technically tend to do that. Well, just don't think that's my actual voice. My actual voice is a lot deeper. A little nice view of the park. Not too shabby. I'm just walking around at almost 8 o'clock in the morning, walking around my neighborhood. I'm not gonna question the chalk art. I'm just going on a walk, getting some exercise. I'm gonna be doing this about every morning. Well, maybe not on school mornings. I hope no license plates were just shown. Again, if any of them show, I am sorry. I don't know how to censor them. Again, I am a small content creator, and I've been doing this content creating for a while, but I don't know how to really edit videos. I can't find a trusted video editor program platform. Ooh, you can get a view of this pretty tree. And this tree. But anyway, I don't have like the knowledge of any. Well, I mean, I have knowledge. I don't know what I'm rambling about. I'm still half asleep, kind of. But ooh, pretty plants. Yeah, don't mind me. I get distracted easily. Okay, I am sorry though. I just can't find. Anyway, back to what I was saying. I can't find a platform to use for editing without the platform trying to make you spend a bunch of money to use basic stuff. Like, I could probably use CapCut. My brother knows probably a lot more about CapCut or how to use it more than me. I mean, he does. I'll have to figure out. Oh, I don't know. I think CapCut is more of those like nice, fancy edits. Tree. But I have 76 subscribers. I used to have like almost 80, but I keep losing and gaining subscribers at a decently quick rate. I am hoping to eventually reach 1,000 subscribers. Then I'll be able to properly live stream. But I just want to like have a bunch of subscribers so that I know that people support my content, and I want to be able to make decent content for people, because I try my best with what I have. I'm not those nice YouTubers like Markiplier and Jacksepticeye and those kinds of famous YouTubers. I'm not everywhere, but I am where I can be. I try my best, man. I try. And that's okay. That's making progress, is to try. That's all that matters. It doesn't matter about being perfect, knowing everything. But you've got to learn. Learning will help you. Oh, looks like the dogs are waking up. They're not my dogs, they're neighbor's dog. That's probably obvious. Yes, it smells amazing out here. It smells like pumpkin spice. Almost feels natural. That'd be crazy if it was, though. Looks like the dogs barking around here have caught other doggos' attention. We won't worry about that. Maybe we'll get some Halloween lights over here. We've gotten Christmas lights over here. Maybe, I don't know if they put Halloween lights up though. Anyway, probably gonna make a loop around here. Stay at the, I don't know. Hold on, car coming. Just don't want any license plates shown. And also there's a truck in front of me. Looks like their house got TP'd though. I probably didn't show enough. Oh, birdies. But I'm just not wanting to show any private information. Except for like basic stuff. Live in the US, in Oklahoma. That's about as detailed as I'll get on where I live. For now, at least. I probably won't tell anyone any information. Other information, I'd probably get in trouble. Anyway, enough rambling. I have just been yapping for quite a while, almost 12 minutes. I'm sorry that you guys have to deal with me yapping. But I'll put a poll in after I make this video to see if you guys would rather want me to make ambient videos without me talking or with me talking. I did post a short last night. I will be giving people shout outs to I'll be giving shout outs to some lucky people if they subscribe and do all that jazz. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. TP'd house. Anyway, yeah, I'll draw Hermes because Epic the Musical, I love that. And I love the song Wouldn't You Like. It's one of my favorites. And I'll try to draw the Epic the Musical version of Hermes. I will also draw your profile picture to the best of my ability. I am good at drawing to a certain extent. I do still kind of suck, but I will try. I'm not showing enough people around here. I don't want to bother them. And I don't want to accidentally record someone without permission. How smooth. Alright. Truck guy seems nice. He's just chill, just doing his thing. I'll probably walk around here and then circle back. And yes, I can take care of myself. Don't worry too much about me walking alone in the morning. I'm 16, so I'm pretty trusted. And besides, I'm going to be going on morning walks anyway. I need the exercise. I like how I said I was going. Well, I didn't say anything about much visuals. I was just talking about more like audio, ambience, I might add, Well, I mean, I'm recording the outside. I'm mostly recording the sidewalk because my hand is not able to stay in a perfect upright position for like a while. That hurt my wrist. And also I'm doing it so I don't show license plates and private information like that. I ain't trying to lose the trust of these neighbors. I'm not trying to lose trust of neighbors that don't even know know about me. I mean, they probably do somewhat because I've trick-or-treated and have been around this neighborhood for 4 years, almost 5. No, not almost 5. I don't. It's fall break. My brain's not there. So, wait, yeah, almost 4 years actually. Just about 4 years. I think, yeah. We moved here like in 2021 or so. Yeah, in 2021. September 2021. So yeah, it's been a year and 4 years and a little over a month since I've moved here. So yeah, 4 years. Not exactly 4 years, but 4 years enough. I do have a TikTok. I just haven't made any videos on it yet. I'll probably just make some videos like this. And I won't show my face much, or I don't purposely show my face. I tend to do it accidentally in one of my videos, which I will have to edit. What time? 7:58. Okay. Well, I'm gonna whip around here, switch back, and head home. Because I don't want to be out here for too terribly long. I want to make a decently good ambient video. Just a little here and there. I won't go up this hill since that's, well, at the top of the hill. I mean, it's a regular neighborhood at the top of the hill, but if you go beyond that, it's private property. I'm not used to private property, like a giant private property area being in a neighborhood. But again, I live in a fancier neighborhood, so of course there's going to be the chance of a private property section. Just a good look around here. Again, not going to show license plates. I will be looking over the video to make sure that I did not record any license plates. Although I think people have recorded license plates before. Although I don't want to risk getting in trouble. I don't know why I would. I mean, it seems kind of reasonable to think that you would get in trouble for showing license plates, because that's like someone's, well, it's not really private information, but it's not something to just post all over the internet. So I'm just respecting that part. Cars And like vehicles I don't mind showing, but like I don't want to just show someone's license plate all willy-nilly. Birds over there. I don't know. I just like, I'm just trying to respect people. And maybe there are some people out there that don't want their license plate recorded or shown on the internet or any other private stuff that some people would see as private. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But in my opinion, I'm sure some people just don't want their plates shown respectfully. Don't know why. Hell, that's just how some people are. Morning. There are some nice people out here. Most people, well, I don't know most of the people in this neighborhood. I know a few, but some neighbors are really nice. I've got some chill neighbors. I don't know. Yeah, chill. Anyway, I just don't know, like, I don't know how people react with, like, license plates being shown or whatever. I don't know why I care so much about not showing anyone's license plate, as if there's some criminal. There isn't. Not that I know of. But no, there isn't. Everyone in this neighborhood's nice and chill. Most of the people. Alright, I've been walking for a good while. I don't know how much longer I'll be recording. I might record for a little bit longer. But I am probably not going to show my face. Because, you know what? Why do I care? There are probably YouTube shorts in my thing showing my face. The first long form video that I ever made was of me playing Call of Duty 4 or Modern Warfare 4. And my phone had dropped on the ground, and that's when it had accidentally shown my face. Because I was talking about how I'll reach a certain amount of subscribers and then I'll do a face reveal. But then my phone just drops like a good couple minutes later. I'm like, what the hell? Well, I don't know. I haven't seen that. I haven't touched that video in a while. So not since it was first made. Like around a year ago? Like last November? No, I don't know. It was probably in October. I don't know. Oh, okay. So my phone uses the middle camera to record and take pictures. If that's the case, what's the point in the other two? Is it just for show? Who knows? I have a Samsung. I don't really care. I'm just trying to make my video. But I do hope to reach 100K one day on subscribers. Hell, maybe 12 million. That'll take a while. I just gotta post kind of frequently. I'll be posting quite frequently over my fall break. So I'll post a video on Halloween as well. I don't know if I'll be able to post anything before Halloween or after fall break. So between the end of fall break and Halloween, I don't know if I'll be able to record. I'll probably try though. But yeah, I want to know what you guys think. Like, what do you think of my content? Like, no, that does not give you the right to outright hate, but slight criticism. I want to know what people think. Just a guy pulling out in his truck. Man, listen, I don't know. I'm just starting to ramble about the random stuff because none of my videos are scripted. They are completely unscripted. Because why would I need a script? I want the natural me. It just seems better, honestly. I'll probably post some YouTube shorts using popular sounds because that technically gives you a ton of the views. Yeah, there's a plane up there. I don't know if you guys can see it though. Hold on, let me... yeah, I don't know. I don't know how long I've been... Hang on, let me double check actually. "38 minutes. So, I mean, I'll probably make this about 40 minutes exactly, so a couple minutes more. 38 minutes and 40 seconds is what I'm at right now. I just don't want to make a video that's like too terribly long, but a video long enough that people will actually watch it. I'm gonna be taking suggestions on like what kind of content you want me to make. I can make this. I'm gonna be making this kind of content anyway. I just want to see if any of you guys want to change it up a bit. And I'll do stuff for people, give them like pinned comments, shout outs, anything to just appreciate their good ideas, as long as it's nothing too ridiculous. But I can like do something while on my walks. I don't know. But I want to know. Oops, sorry. Hang on. Sorry. Oh, I've already went past. I'm at 40 minutes and you know what? Whatever. I don't care. I'll make it around like 42 minutes or something, like 41 minutes maybe. I don't know. I guess I was not paying attention. But I want to know what you guys want me to do with my content. Like, what do you want me to do? I'll be doing nature walks. Well, not really nature walks. It's more of just neighborhood walks. I could do some nature walks. like find somewhere nice in nature and do some walking. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Like, I could try making gaming content, and I just don't know, like, if it's possible for me to connect my phone to my TV or Xbox so that you can, like, perfectly see the screen like how YouTubers do it. I don't know how they do it, but I have an Xbox and a TV and a bunch of games. So I would like to know how to connect my phone to like the TV or Xbox, or which one I should connect it to, so that I can make videos a bit more smoothly. Well, I might make more interactive videos. Yeah, I might make more interactive videos, not just gaming, but like walking out here. I want to be able to live stream so that I can actually talk to people, but I can't do that until I reach 1,000 subscribers, which will take a bit. My subscriber count will go up and down along the way, and I shouldn't worry too much about it. But I do want to make good content so that people can enjoy it. With younger audiences, I don't make content for little kids, so not specifically for them. I usually just like when people comment on my videos, because if you set your video and it's for kids, then no one can comment. And I don't really make kids content. Well, I don't make any content for kids. I'm not a kid channel. I am a teenager I'm not making inappropriate content, but I'm gonna be making like some good, decent content. Hell, if I'm able to, maybe eventually I'll get a decent setup so that I can play different games, like on Steam or something, when I have the chance and the money to. Trying to get a job, because I'm not gonna just make this as my job. I would like to make money from making content, but that's not like my number one priority. My priority is to like get a job, and hopefully I'll be getting a job within this weekend. I'll be trying to apply for a job. I'll kind of leave my phone like this so that you can kind of just look around. I guess I'm just adding more to the content. You can't really see their license plate, so it's fine, I guess. It is now officially 8:15. I've been recording for 45 minutes. I need to eventually end the video, but at the same time, I'm just trying to add filler so that there's no like weird silence. Although this is an ambient video, of course there's supposed to be some silence in it. Like that. Just listen to the birds. Just listen to all of it. My neighborhood in the early morning. I might make that I'll make that my title. My neighborhood in the early morning with commentary. And then I'll put a poll seeing if you guys want me to do like videos like the one I just did with or without commentary. Because I wasn't planning on putting commentary. I was planning on staying silent. But at the same time, I am not capable. I'm not really good at doing that. I try. I'm getting better. But I do like to yap a bit. I like talking to people so that I don't feel like lonely and whatnot. Like what I do with my friends. I yap a hell of a lot. Just so, like, I don't know. I like talking. It feels nice to talk. I like talking. Like, I would not be able to live without the ability of talking. And I do feel bad for mute people and people that, like, can't really talk that well. It's just sad to see people like that. Like, I wish they had the ability to talk. Like, be able to express themselves. No, I am not saying that just because I'm saying that as if you can only express yourself with your voice. You can emotionally, mentally. Oh, yeah, mentally. Oh. Yeah, most likely. I'm smart, but not smart. But other than physically expressing yourself and mentally and emotionally, like vocally expressing, because that usually helps. I just love how it's cold out here, man. Usually it gets really hot during the day, like midday into the evening. It gets pretty warm out here. But hopefully we get that, hopefully we get the actual fall weather instead of being in the 70s and 80s. Like in the 60s and 50s is fall weather. 60s and upper 50s. Winter is between the 60s and the 30s, most likely. Like, stuff like that, lower than 60. As long as it's not, like, anywhere near 100 degrees, I'm happy. Mm, 50 minutes. Within the night, I need to actually cut off the video eventually. I don't want to waste people's time just sitting here, silence, talking about the most random shit.